Tom wanted to learn English. Every day, he studied for 1 hour. At first, English seemed difficult. He did not understand many words. One day, he started reading short stories. The stories were fun and easy to follow. Tom learned new words every week. He also listened to English conversations. Little by little, he became more confident. Soon, he could understand simple videos. He practiced speaking every day. After a few months, he could have real conversations. His pronunciation improved a lot. All your friends started, for example.